welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making Pandesal. Stay tuned. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. So we're gonna make a Filipino traditional bread. And to start, we're gonna get some 227 grams of warm milk in a bowl. We're gonna get 38 grams of sugar in a bowl, same bowl. 57 grams of lukewarm water in the same bowl. And in the same bowl, yeast. This is 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of yeast. That's a lot of yeast. So put that on there. And also, we're gonna add some semi-softened butter. Oh, that's not, that got hard again. It's okay. We're gonna mix it up. And the purpose of this is to reawaken the yeast. They've been in the freezer. They've been in deep freeze for months. I haven't touched this stuff in months, but they last forever. So you just mix it. Oh, why is it clumpy? Anyway, just mix it and then, okay, stay tuned. So it wasn't lukewarm, it was actually cold. It was cold. You have to, I put it in the microwave for like 20 seconds. And you can look at it now, it's not as clumpy. So we're gonna mix it and we're gonna leave it in this bowl for like 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, the yeast should be awakened again. So we'll be back in 10 minutes. So it's been about a couple minutes and you can see the yeast has now reawakened. It's bubbly on top and now we can proceed. We know that the yeast is good. Next, all-purpose flour, 420 grams right in our mixing bowl. Boom. And then to that we're gonna add a little salt for flavor, 3 grams of kosher salt. Look at that. Boom. Then mix it up with your finger. Yeah, come on in here. If you don't mix it, you know, you're gonna have a clump of salt in one bite. Some random guy's gonna be like, "Oh, this is a tasty bread," and then they're gonna get a big mouthful of salt. And then put in our stand-up mixer here. Oh, jeez, I've never used this before, so. And then with a dough hook. And then we'll just slow. Do I just add this liquid in now? I mean, yes, add the liquid in now. Slowly. Oh my. Okay, you're gonna do it slow, like 10 minutes. You're gonna start off slow like this. You can come in here. It's not reaching the side, so I think I need this little spoon here. Kind of push it to the side, and and then we're gonna, once it all incorporates, we're gonna do 10 minutes. We can put it to 6 speed. Or you can do this by hand, too. I wouldn't recommend it by hand because you have to mix it for, you have to knead it for like 10 minutes. So, buy one of these and then do it. We'll be back in 10 minutes. Don't be afraid. It's shaking a lot, but that's normal for KitchenAid. So it's been about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we're gonna check on our dough. To see if your dough's done, you could take a piece, and then you could do the window pane, what they call a window pane test. You stretch it out, and then if you see light through it, then it's good. Which, it's good. So we're gonna take this out off the hook. We're gonna take it off this thing, and then we're gonna check if it's smooth. You see how smooth that is? Oh my gosh! You just want to play with it like that. It should look like that. And now we're gonna go prove it. What do you gotta prove though? You're just a dough. So we're gonna prove it for about an hour. So we're gonna put it into a ball like this. We're gonna put a little olive oil in the bottom of our bowl, and then we're gonna coat it up. Coat it so it's all coated like that, and then we're gonna put a towel over it, and then we're gonna put it in a warm spot for about an hour. It should double in size, so we'll be back in an hour. I messed up. You're not supposed to use olive oil. You're supposed to use a non-flavored oil, so like canola or vegetable or corn. I have all that, but I use olive oil. It's okay. It's alright. It's not gonna be traditional anymore. I'm sorry. So we're still gonna go on with the bread. So we're gonna let it prove. So it's been about an hour, and look, it has risen. And to test if it's done proving, you do the finger poke test. You push it down, and if it stays, it's good. And it does. We're good. And now we're gonna weigh this so we can divide it into 12 even buns. Okay, so measure it. 63, close enough. And then you want to take this guy, and then you want to fold it, tuck it, make sure the bottom is super closed, like you're doing this action. Boom, boom, like that. You want to pinch it so that it doesn't come apart. You want to really seal the bottom so it looks like that. And then roll it on the thing. See? You roll it into a nice little ball. Like that, look. And then we have a little thing of breadcrumbs here. You're gonna coat it on all sides. So just drop it. Boom, boom. Coat it on all sides. This is what gives Pandesal its texture. And then we're gonna do it a couple more times until we have a whole pan full. So I've rolled them all by myself with no help whatsoever, and coated it in breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna do a second proof. So we're gonna cover this up with a damp cloth and let it go for about 40 minutes till they double in size. They're done, I think. Oh, it's hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, look at that. Perfect. Look at these. They're not all uniform because I don't know. Why are they not uniform? They're all different shapes. Okay, well, you know, it's rustic, I guess. It's probably too hot to handle these right now, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and then I'll give it a taste. I've transferred them to a cooling rack. Now we can try one. Let's see, this one looks good right here. Let's just, oh, it's so soft. Let's just break it open and see what, oh my. Oh, it smells so good. It's yeasty. It's just comforting, especially on a snowy day like this. So I'll just take some butter here. And then, actually this was only cooling for like 2 minutes. I can't wait. Fresh baked bread is so good. And this butter is super cold, so it's taking a while to melt. It's soft, perfectly baked. It's sweet, plus the butter. You gotta try this. You gotta try making it. So good. Okay, next time.